It's no secret that retargeting is the best way to advertise on the internet. I mean, it makes sense, right? When you add a Facebook retargeting pixel to your website, everyone who visits your website is added to a retargeting list inside of Facebook. You can then advertise to your previous visitors, and as a result of that advertising, a percentage of them return to your website and buy. Now, they're your hottest prospects.
Retargeting works really well because on average a visitor needs to see your product or service a few times before they make the decision to buy. Problem is that when you use Facebook to advertise to your website visitors, Facebook forces you to advertise to everyone. So you're paying Facebook to advertise to interested visitors, but you're also paying to advertise to accidental or even obviously uninterested visitors as well. This is a problem because it leads to lower click-through rates. You end up spending more on your ads. Facebook forces you to pay them more because of your low click-through rates, and most importantly, you end up generating a lower ROI from your ads. Now, businesses pay Facebook millions of dollars to advertise to uninterested and accidental visitors every day. So we thought there had to be a better way. So we went to work to try to figure out how we could solve this problem. What we discovered is what we believe is the biggest breakthrough in advertising. In fact, we're calling it Retargeting 2.0. I'll show you why.
The Facebook pixel is the problem. The fact is, it's limited. Whenever a visitor lands on your website, the Facebook pixel triggers and adds that visitor to your retargeting list for advertising to.
The pixel doesn't know whether a visitor is interested, uninterested, accidental, or bounced because they didn't find what they were looking for.
So we thought, what if we took control of the Facebook pixel and we decided when it was shown or hidden? It would mean that we could first identify based on a visitor's behavior whether they're interested or not, and depending on their behavior on our website, then decide to show the Facebook pixel or not. It would mean we only ever add the hottest prospects to our Facebook retargeting list. So we only ever have to pay Facebook to advertise to the hottest of our prospects we know are likely going to buy.
So we decided to investigate whether this was even possible. We needed a way of being able to first of all identify whether a website visitor was a hot prospect, accidental visitor, or uninterested. Then we needed to make sure that Facebook only ever knew about our hottest prospects. Because we've been working with Facebook for a long time and already helped thousands of Facebook users improve the way they advertise over Facebook, we thought we could provide a solution to this problem. So we went to work and built a software we've named Retarget by AdSightPro.
A brand new software that combines the latest in to-the-minute behavioral data and retargeting. Retarget is the most efficient advertising system ever created. Using our custom-built behavioral targeting technology, you can set tripwires that only activate when our software identifies a visitor is showing buying signals. When a visitor visits our website and shows these buying signals, the software activates the Facebook pixel, passing on the visitor's information to our pre-qualified, retarget-ready advertising list. Using this new system, we not only save on ad costs, but we maximize the ROI that we're generating from our retargeting campaigns. And this software guarantees we're only ever advertising to hot prospects. Another advantage of using this software is that Facebook loves you for using it. Facebook wants to protect its users' experience on their platform. They want to make sure that they're only showing ads that their users have an interest in. So Facebook rewards advertisers that it sees are achieving higher click-through rates and generating a better ROI. At the same time, Facebook penalizes those who aren't. Millions of advertisers using retargeting are being penalized right now. This means that because their ads are being shown to everyone who visits their website, and as a result their click-through rates and conversion rates are lower, Facebook is charging them more for their ads.
When you use Retarget by AdSightPro, because your ads are only being shown to visitors you've already pre-qualified as hot prospects, you're always going to be achieving higher than average click-through rates and conversion rates. And Facebook will reward you by charging you less for your ads.
Using Retarget by AdSightPro is a win-win-win for you, your website visitors, and Facebook. So let's say that you're a video agency and you want to retarget businesses who visit your website. You want to make sure that you're only paying Facebook to show ads to people who are genuinely interested in buying your product or service. Previously, you'd be forced to pay Facebook for everyone who visits your website. But now with the Retarget by AdSightPro software, you decide who you advertise to. Choose exactly what visitors you want to pay Facebook to advertise to. For example, you can ask the software to only send visitors to your Facebook retargeting list if, number one, they stay on your website for more than 2 minutes, number two, they scroll through your website when when they arrive. Number 3, they speak English because that's the language your website is written in. Then simply copy and paste a code into your website the software provides you. It connects our software with your website and it collects data on your visitors. Then as new visitors arrive at your website, we only pass their information to Facebook when they show those buying signals based on your pre-chosen criteria. Okay, so let's say for example that you want to get paid for helping a business. They've been using regular retargeting, but you want to help them with their move to retargeting 2.0. It's a local restaurant and they have a special promotion running from the 1st of the month till the 30th of the month. Previously, you'd be forced to pay Facebook to advertise to everyone. Now with Retarget by AdSightPro, you choose exactly what visitors you want to advertise to. For example, you could choose to geo-target your visitors and only retarget people who are searching from the location of where the restaurant is located. Or, for example, you could only retarget visitors who are visiting the website during the time of the promotion. Or on top of that, if you wanted to, you could also add that you only retarget visitors who actually visit the event link on the restaurant's website.
Now, immediately, you've refined their retargeting. You're only going to be paying Facebook to advertise to visitors who visit your website and have a genuine interest in what is being advertised. The possibilities are endless when you use this brand new retargeting software. So, upgrade to Retargeting 2.0 today. Save thousands in advertising costs and immediately boost your advertising ROI. Go down below and get access to Retarget by AdSightPro today. I'll see you on the inside.